Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, we find ourselves in Kansas City, Missouri, where we encounter a Sovtard who was pulled over due to expired tags, and it goes through the whole spiel, of course, even to the point of calling his guru to try to get him out of the situation, but it doesn't work, and it results in his arrest. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this frickin' S-show on the road, shall we?
Yes.
Okay. What is going on? Okay, just so you know, I stopped because your tags are expired.
Did I injure somebody or cause any damage?
No, you lead paint drinker. It's just that in all states in the Union, you're supposed to have a license plate on your vehicle to indicate that it's been registered and insured and everything like that. You know, just in case something happens and something needs to be done to remedy the situation, such as, well, monetary issues and everything like that, or, you know, just taking personal responsibility, which you Sovtards don't seem to want to do.
No, your registration tags are expired?
I'm not operating in commerce, sir.
Okay. Do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
I would...
While this Sovtard tries to remember the script, he should be aware that, just like any other state, Missouri does have a driver's license classification system, and the F class is the non-commercial driver's license, or the standard driver's license. And there are classifications for the commercial driver's license as well. I don't know why these Sovtards keep on doing this, because it doesn't work. I mean, it's well established.
I don't... What is the purpose of this stop?
Your registration tags expired in August of 13.
Do you understand that I'm not operating in commerce right now?
I don't care.
Actually, you should care, because it's a constitutional right that I have to travel freely without being stopped for a statutory infraction that you do not have. Am I free to go?
No. I need your license, registration, and insurance.
Are you holding me against my will?
No. I'm not holding you against your will. What I'm doing is I stopped you for a traffic violation, and I need your license, registration, and insurance. Whatever you need to close the code one is fine.
I have...
No, code word.
Can I have your identification, please, sir?
My name is Deputy Ainsworth, as is on my uniform. I'm with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office. Okay? I need your license and registration. If you don't provide it, you will be under arrest for failure to provide proof of your license. Alright?
You're going to arrest me?
If you don't provide your proof...
Are you threatening to arrest me?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay?
So...
I need your license. If you don't want to provide that, I will arrest you for fail to provide your license.
I apologize.
I have to assume that I'm under arrest right now because I'm not free to leave.
Okay.
I am evoking my right against self-incrimination, and I will not be providing you with any documents that can be used against me to incriminate myself. Do you want to violate my right of self-incrimination because that's what you're doing, sir.
Geez, dude, you are not under oath in a court right now. You are on a simple traffic stop that requires you to present the appropriate documents, and then you would be fined for not having the license plate properly taken care of. And it would have been that simple, but you're going to play F around and find out, escalate this to the point of no return, and get arrested for something so simple? Man, you're a dumbass. All that lead paint you drank as a child certainly did catch up with you, didn't it?
Okay, I have a legal right to stop you because your registration is expired. You are required by law to provide me with some form of identification. Okay, if you do not do that, you will be under arrest.
I have right to legal counsel.
Not at this point, okay?
Yes, I do have right to legal counsel,
Okay.
sir. You can't take my rights away.
If you don't want to obey the law right now,
I am obeying
you
the
can
law.
speak with your attorney in jail, okay?
You're threatening to kidnap me and put me in jail? Do you have a signed warrant to take me to jail? Where's my due process, sir?
Are you really that damn stupid, dude? I mean, your due process is starting right now. You're in the middle of committing a violation, and you're further escalating this into a rather bad situation where you're going to end up being taken to jail. And then the rest of your due process is going to continue from there, where you're going to be arraigned and everything like that. That way, a lawyer can take care of you at that point. And no, that Sovtard guru you're about to call up certainly doesn't seem to have the qualifications to be a lawyer to begin with.
Do you not need a signed warrant from a judge to arrest me?
No, I'm not sure where you're from, but I do not, okay?
I will hold you under full commercial liability and your bond in a criminal matter should you proceed with this stop any
That's
further,
fine.
sir.
Are you going to cooperate or not?
Sir, with all due respect, I mean you no harm. I mean you no. There will be no violence. Please, God's peace be with you.
Okay.
What's the thing? That's it, Tony. That's it. Copy, thank you.
Can we get a supervisor here, sir?
I want to speak to your... Cocaine's a hell of a drug.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Speak with your supervisor. Yes, hey Gene, this is Gary. See, I'm in the Walmart parking lot. Are you law enforcement or are you peace officer?
51 copy.
Are you safety officer or are you law enforcement?
I am law enforcement. I am with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office.
I have someone from law enforcement performing a traffic stop. He's threatened to arrest me if I don't show him a driver's license, registration, and insurance. The reason for this stop is expired registration tag.
Yes.
then the state has no more authority over the vehicle if the registration is not current.
And are you aware that you have to have your vehicle registered when it is operating on the public roadways within the state of Missouri? Because otherwise, you're committing a crime.
You're aware of this, right? What you're trying to do? Are you aware of the law?
I'm pretty familiar with the law, yes.
Pretty familiar with the law. Well, this is going to go a lot further than pretty familiar, so please be cautious in what you do, that you don't violate my rights in trying to enforce statute. So where are we at, Gene?
Private register a vehicle when it depends on the use that's being made of the vehicle. If it's used for private travel and communication, it's not required to be tied to registry. So it wouldn't have to have any tabs on it.
This is my contention, sir.
I can't hear him. I'm not going to chat with him. I'm talking to you.
Oh, I love that, officer. Good job. Totally ignore the guru who has nothing to do with this traffic stop whatsoever. Good job, officer. Good job.
Okay?
Yeah. And the thing to do there probably is just jot down some notes, get the officer's name and badge number, and make sure that you get all that information so that he can be sued in his private capacity for exceeding his authority and jurisdiction.
Correct.
His authority and jurisdiction is set out very clearly in 153, 39, and 83. So when he exceeds that authority and he has to allege that you are an employee working for some corporation and engaged in trafficking on the highway, so right there in itself, he's made an illegal stop.
Yeah.
So he's detained you in your liberty of travel, and he doesn't have a valid probable cause to do that simply because he sees a vehicle that has a license on that's expired. Without determining the use that the vehicle's being put to, that may or may not be required to be tied and registered. That changes with every new vehicle owner.
Everything that guy just says is bullshit. Thank you.
Wow, talk about the blind leading the blind. I mean, this Sovtard guru is about as clueless as the driver is.
Right.
Just get some notes and
Sir,
see what he wants
sir,
to do.
can you hang up the phone, please?
No, I'm with my counsel now. Please don't try to deprive me of counsel, sir. Please.
I've been very patient with you.
You have,
Okay?
sir.
I have a legal right to stop you. Like I said, you are required to provide your license, okay, or proof of identification. Okay, if you're refusing to do that, you will be under arrest. Okay?
He will be arresting me should I not provide him with this information.
Well, he wants you to identify yourself, and this is his authority. He's claiming his authority for that is his power under the vehicle code. And as I say, document everything that he's saying, and have him write it down, because even at a traffic stop, he's not authorized to compel you to identify yourself, and that's Delaware versus Prowse. So he's alleging that you're engaged in trafficking, so he has a right to demand a driver's license. This is exactly what they do in this Ponzi scheme called the driver's licensing scheme.
Okay. Okay.
Just get his information, see what he wants to do here. You gotta impound your vehicle and tow it.
Hey, sir.
It's on private
Okay.
property.
So, I've asked you several times to please cooperate. All right. As stated,
I'm cooperating as best I can with.
My name is Deputy Ainsworth. I am with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office.
Gene, I'll get back
I
to you.
am in uniform, displaying a badge. All right. I stopped you because your registration tags are expired. You are required by law to provide me with proof of identification. If you cannot do that, you will be under arrest for failing to do so. Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
You need to step out of the vehicle. You need to step out of the vehicle. You are
I
under
do
arrest.
not feel safe, sir. Please don't.
Step out of the vehicle.
Please,
You are under
sir.
arrest.
Sure, step out.
Wait.
Don't
Step
pull
out of the vehicle.
away from me.
Please.
Do
You're
not
harming
pull
me.
away from me.
Please.
Don't pull. Relax your arms. Relax your arms.
They are as relaxed as I can be. You're holding them up and hurting my shoulder. I have injuries. Please, sir, do not hurt me further.
We're not. Stop resisting. Cooperate. That's all we're asking.
Well, my cooperation, please understand that I realize it'd be easier if I just produce this. However,
Yeah, you realize it would be easier to produce it? No shit, Sherlock. I mean, but what is the however right there? I mean, come on now. Inquiring minds really want to know, but I doubt we will ever find out. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
This could be some groundbreaking stuff right here.
You don't want to go to jail.
For what?
You read this.
I don't have to listen to
Read it.
anything. Blah, 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 blah.
Dude, so there's no way I can get in, bro? Come on, I'll put you on my YouTube.
But shut up, Wesley.
You gotta put signs up, ma'am, if it's...
Are you Glenn Serio?
Who's that?